Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to cover 20 most important questions from chapter on reproduction in organism from class 12. Please watch the video till end, and if you like, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notification about all my videos. I am going to start. I will give 15 to 20 seconds up after each question. Till then you can write your answer in comment box. And here comes the question number 1. What is the average lifespan of parrot and crow respectively? Means you have to give the lifespan of parrot and crow respectively. Okay. Five seconds more. So the correct answer is option number C. 140 is for parrot and crow is 15 years. Next question. Most common special asexual reproductive structure seen in member of algae is, and the options are zoospores, conidia, sporangiospores, gemmules. And the correct answer is zoospores. Why zoospores? Because in sponge the reproductive structure is gemmules. In penicillin it is conidia. So the left answer is zoospores. Question number 3. Find out the incorrect statement. First, period from birth to natural death is called lifespan. Second, lifespan of an organism are necessarily correlated with their size. Third, except single cell organism, all other are mortal. Reproduction enables the species generation after generation. And the correct answer is option number B. Because lifespan does not depend on size. For example, parrot has comparatively small size, but it can live up to 140 years, whereas we have bigger size compared to parrot, but we are just 60 to 80 years. Next question. Write down the name of fleshy bird that give rise to new plants in egg age. Simple NCERT question. 5 seconds left. And the correct answer is bulbil. Bulb is seen in onion. Offset pistia. Rhizome ginger. Next question. Myocytes are. This is also a simple question. And the correct answer is option B, gamete mother cell. Because gamete mother cell is also diploid and myocyte is also diploid. The ploidy level of gamete mother cell is 2n, and also that of myocyte is also 2n. Next question. The process refers to development of embryo is known as. Simple definition, and the correct answer is embryogenesis. Next question. The offspring produced through which of the following process are not exact similar to their parents? And the correct answer is option B, sexual reproduction. Why? Because in sexual reproduction, the daughter or son is not exactly similar to the parent, whereas in asexual reproduction 90 to 100% chances are there in which daughter cell is exactly similar to the parent cell. Next question. Which of the following animals are known as seasonal breeders? Seasonal breeders means they breed during a specific season. And the correct answer is option C, bird. Next question. Arrange these animals in increasing order of their lifespan. Means the increasing order means from smallest to largest, means the largest living animal should be at the last. Again, a very simple question. The correct answer is option number D, because parrot is the largest living out of the following, so it is at the last, and in no other option there is a parrot on last. Next question. Which one has the more chromosome number in myocyte as compared to other? Again, a NCERT data question which everyone must be remaining. And the correct answer is option B, dog. Next question. Which of the following event is post-fertilization event? Option A, gametogenesis, option B, gamete transfer, option C, fertilization, and option D, embryogenesis. Gametogenesis and gamete transfer, this both are pre-fertilizing events, and option number 4, which is the correct answer, is an post-fertilizing event, and fertilization is the fertilizing event. Next question. Some of the animals which possess both male and female reproductive organ, such organisms are called hermaphrodites. Which of the following is not an hermaphrodite? Not an hermaphrodite. Option A, sponges, option B, tapeworm, option C, cockroaches, option D, earthworm. And the correct answer is option C, cockroach. Because cockroach is not an hermaphrodite, other three options such as sponges, tapeworm and earthworm are hermaphrodite, means they possess both male and female on same organism. Next question. Which is the special method of vegetative reproduction occur in Nephrolepis? Again, an NCERT data question. Three seconds to go. And the correct answer is option B, stolon. Next question. Select the incorrect match. Time up. Let's see what's the answer. Asexual reproduction is similar to somatogenic reproduction. Yes, it is true. Sexual reproduction is fusion of gametes. Yes, this is also true. Fusion of male and female gamete. Vegetative propagation is rhizome. Yes, this takes place in ginger. And option D, which is the correct answer, clone, morphologically similar, genetically dissimilar. No, Clones are morphologically similar and also genetically similar. Next question. Estrous cycle is found in? Again a very simple question. And the correct answer is option C, cow. Because all these three are primates in which menstrual cycle takes place. So, next question. Stem cutting is the method of commonly used for propagation of option A, banana, option B, rose, option C, mango, option D, cotton. And the correct answer is option B, rose, which you must remember it. Next question. Layering is used for vegetative propagation of which plant? Which plant? Option A, rose, option B, mango, option C, jasmine, option D, all of this. And the correct answer is option A, rose. Question number 18. In vegetative propagation of tuber, which of the following remains constant throughout the generation? A very twisting question in which most of people will give wrong answer, and the one who is watching this video till end will give right answer in exam. Option A, morphology, option B, vigor, option C, vigor and morphology, or option D, morphological vigor and disease resistance. And the correct answer is option A, morphology. Question number 19. Read the following four statements A to D. A. In asexual reproduction, offspring produced with or without involvement of gamete. Option B. In asexual reproduction, clones are found. Option C. Asexual reproduction is very common in single-celled organisms. Option D. Budding in hydra is a mode of sexual reproduction. How many of the above statements are correct? Five seconds more. And the correct answer is 3. How 3? In asexual reproduction, offspring produced with or without involvement of gamete. Yes, this is possible. In asexual reproduction, clones are found. Yes, this is also possible. Asexual reproduction is very common in single-celled organism, and in multicellular organism there is sexual reproduction. So this is also correct. But budding in hydra is not a mode of sexual reproduction. It is asexual reproduction. So 3 statements are correct. Next question, and the last question of our video. Write the chromosome number in meiocytes of Ophioblossom and butterfly respectively. In meiocyte of Ophioblossom and butterfly respectively. And the correct answer is none of these. Why this is so? Let's see in next slide. Ophioblossom in meiocyte 1260, whereas in the option there is no option in which it contains 1260. It is 1269. So the correct answer is option D, none of these. And for butterfly is 630. It is correct, but this is not correct. So all the options except option D are incorrect. This is the last slide which have added. You can refer it or you can take a screenshot of this. Hope you guys have enjoyed a lot doing this question, and if you really loved this video, then you can share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment your doubts regarding today's class, and if you feel that you need some more classes, then you can also comment on that. Till then, goodbye.